Hi everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Saurabh Bansal and I am a mentor at Geeks for Geeks. So today we are going to see our today's question, that is Geeks and its game of coins. Okay, so firstly we will understand the question, then we will understand the approach, and then we will code. So let's go on our computer screens and let's start the question. So what is the question? So given three numbers, so they have given us three numbers. First is n, then they have given us x and y. So now Geek and his friend. Okay, Geek as in friend. Let's name Geek as A and his friend as B. Okay, so player A and player B. So we have two players in this game. Okay, they are playing a coin game. In the beginning, there are n coins. So there are n coins. N is the number of coins we have. Okay, so now in each move, a player can pick X, Y, or one coin. Okay, so either a player can take X coin, Y coins, or maybe they can take one coin as well. Okay, so I'm writing one over here. Geek always start the game. Okay, so player A will always start the game. Okay, so the player who picks the last coin wins the game. Okay, so now the question is, so there are total n coins and any player can pick either X coins, Y coins, or maybe he can pick one coin as well. Okay, so the person who picks the last coin is the winner. Okay, so I think this is very clear. The task is to check whether Geek will win or not if both are playing optimally. Okay, so firstly the chances of A, then the chances of B, then A, then B, then A, then B, and whosoever picks the last coin is going to be the winner. So we have to check that is Geek will win the game or not. Okay, so we have to check something like that. So let's understand it through example. So total we have 5 number of coins and the value of X is 3 and Y is 4, and we can also pick one coin as well. Okay, so now let's see. So the output is 1. What is the meaning of output is 1? That Geek, meaning the player A, is going to be win. So what is that? Okay, so there are total 5 coins. In the first turn, if Geek, let's assume that Geeks pick the third coin. So now, so 5 minus 3 coin is 2 coins. Now, so player A has taken the 3 coins. Now, the coin left are 2 coins. Now what you have to do? Now, the turn is of player B. Now, can he take 3 coins? No. Can he take 4 coins? No. Can he take 1 coin? Yes. So player B has to take 1 coin. Now the turn is of player A. So now 2 minus 1, that is going to be 1. And now player A has taken 1 coin. And now the number of coins is 1 minus 1, that is going to be 0. So now there are 0 coins. So the last coin which player has picked. So A player has picked, that means A is winner, means Geek is the winner. So we will return 1 if he has win the game. Okay, so now let's take one more example to understand it more clearly. Then we will understand the approach as well. So now if I just see, so if we have, let's assume 6 coins and X equals to, let's say 3 and Y equals to 4, and they can take 1 coin as well. So there is chance that player A can take n minus X coins, n minus Y coins, and he can also take n minus 1 coins. If player A has taken n minus X coins, then how much coins are left? Will be left n minus X equal to 3 coins. He can take n minus 4 coins, means 2 coins are left. And if he has taken n minus 1, then we will have 5 coins. Okay, so this is player A. Okay, so player A has taken. So now the player B chance. Now the chance of player B. So player B can take either 3 coins, 4 coins, and 1 coins. So let us understand, if he has taken 3 coins, okay, only 3 coins, then 0 coins will left. In this case, player B is the winner. But if we talk about, can player B can player take 4 coins? No, he can't take 4 coins. So this is not the chance. So he can't take 4 coins. So can the player take 1 coin? Yes, player can take 1 coin. So how much coin will be left? 4 coins will be left. Now, so this is the case where B is the winner. This is the case which is not possible, and this is the case which is possible. So now player A is done. So player A can take 3 coins, 1 coin, or 4 coins. If he just take 4 coins, then the number of coins, then the player A takes 4 coins, then you can see this is the last thing. Okay, so last coin is taken by A, so A is the winner. So in this case also Geek will be a winner. Okay, let's take an example. So they have given us one more example. Okay, so this is going to be our next example. Okay, so there are total 2 coins and they have given us X equal to 3, Y equals to 4, and also we can take 1 coin. So player A, Can he take 3 coins? No. Can he take 4 coins? No. Can he take 1 coin? Yes. So if he has taken 1 coin, the number of coins which are left is 1. Now the total number of coins left is 1. Now player B cannot take 3 coins, 4 coins. He only can take 1 coin. So number of coins left is 0. So now the player B has taken last coin. So the winner is player B. And we have to just check that player A can win or not. So if player A can't win, then we have to return 0. Okay. So I think after this, the clear understanding of question is done. Okay. So now let's understand about the approach. So firstly, let's take an example to understand it. N equals to 10, X let's say 3 and Y let's say 4. Okay. So if we have 0 coins, we will understand it through example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So you will understand this approach in a level wise. That's why I have taken this big example. So these are number of coins. Okay. We have to understand it in a simple way that if we have, this is the number of coins. So we are going to use DP over here. So firstly understand, if we have 0 coins, then can player A win? Okay. Can player A win? No. Because he is going to be the starting the game, but he is not taking the last. So in this case, 0 means Geek lose. We are assigning Geek lose. And if we are putting 1, then it means Geek wins. Geek wins. Okay. And you have to understand one thing in that Geek will always start the game. Okay. It is present in the question. So if there are 0 coins, then Geek will not win. Okay. If there is 1 coin, then what is going to happen? Geek will lose. Geek will win. Okay, sorry. Geek will win. Why? Because he will take the first coin and this is also the last coin. So firstly, for these cases, 1. Okay. And now, if we have 2 coins, then what is going to happen? Okay. He can't take 3 coins. He can't take 4 coins, but he will take 1 coin. Now, how many coins are left? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now, only 1 coin will left and player 2 will take that coin. And now the answer is going to be 0 because in this case, Geek will lose. Now we have 3 coins. So if X just take 3 coins, then he is going to be the winner. Okay. He can take 3 coins. So it will be a winner case. Now let's talk about 4. So we have total 4 coins. If just Geek take the 4 coins, then he is also going to win because the 4 coin is the last coins. Now we have 5 coins. Okay. Please understand in this way. Now you will understand what is going to be the approach. Okay. Now we have 5 coins. So if we just take 4 coins, then number of coins will be left is 1. Okay. Now the last coin will be taken by the player B. Now in this case, if we just take the 4 coins, then it is going to be the lose case. But if we just taken the 3 coin, 3. Okay. Now the number of coins 5 minus 3, that is going to be 2. And if we have 2 coins, then let's see what is going to be the answer. If now we have 2 coins, then player A is going to be 0. That means Geeks is going to be 0. But please focus on this part that this is the result when Geek is starting. But now the player B is going to start. Okay, the player B is going. So player B will lose. But if player B will lose, who is going to win? Player A is going to win. Okay. So in this case, if they have taken 2 coins, now player B will take 1 coin and player A will take the last coin and player is going to be winner. Okay. If you can't understand in this part, so you will understand in the next iteration. So we have 6 coins. Now we have 6 coins. Okay. So let us understand. If we have 6 coins, firstly we have to check if we have 6 coins. Now, if the player has taken 4 coins, if the player has 6 minus 4, that is going to be 2. Now you can see this is now 2 coins are left. But if we have see that 2 coins, if we just take 2 coins, then Geek will start, the player B will start, the friend of the Geek will start. But if we have 2 coins, okay, so player B will lose. So who is going to win? Player A. So if we have 6 coins, then also he is going to win. Okay, let's understand it for 7 as well. So if we have 7 coins, then you can see that is if he has taken 4 coins, then what is going to be? 7 minus 4, that is 3. Okay. And if we have 3 coins, then Geek is going to win. Okay. But player B will start, so he will win. Okay. So this is the case where he is going to be lose. So let's take example of if the player A has taken 3 coins, then we will have 4 coins. So for 4 coins, Geek will also win. So, but the starting is of player B. So he will also lose. So this is also not the case. So now let's take the case of if he has taken 1 coin, then how much coins are left? 6 coins. So 6 is also the case where Geek is going to win. So he will lose. So if we have 7 coins, then you can see that there is no case that the Geek will win. Okay, let's see. If there are 3 coins, then player B will take 1 coin and 2 coins left. And if there is 2 coins, then player 1 will take 1 coin and now player 1, and then we will take player 1. So player B will take the last coin and he is going to win. If we have 4 coins, then player B will take 3 coins, or maybe let's say player B will take 4 coins and now the player B will win. Okay, so player B is going to be the hero. If we have 6 coins, then what is going to happen over here? If we have 6 coins, then player B will take 4 coins, and after that there are 2 coins only, remaining 2 coins, and there player A will take 1 coin and player B will take 1. So player 1 is going to win. Okay, so in every case player B is going to win, so that's why the answer is 0. Okay, let's understand it by 8 also. So if the case is of 8, then what is going to happen over here? So either he can take 8 minus 3 coins, 8 minus 4 coins, 8 minus 1 coin. So number of coins left is 5, number of coins left is 4, 8 minus 1, that is going to be 7 coins. So if we just check the 5, now you can see that at the 5 we have 1. So this is the case where player B will lose. Okay, player B. So that means player A will lose over here. Okay, for 4 it is also 1, so it will lose. So in the seventh case, it means there is a 0. So this means that player A will win. Okay, so we have to put 1 over here. What is the mean? That if player A has taken 7, now player B will take, now this is the turn of player B. So now player B will take 4 coins. Okay, player B will take 4 coins. Okay, so now the number of coins left is 3. So now player A will take the 3 coins and it is going to be the last. So that's why it is a winner. So this is how we have to go through. So firstly we have to check that is the number of coins possible to take 3 X coins or 4 coins or Y coins. And if that is not possible, if this is possible, then we have to check the remaining coins. For the remaining coins, it is 0 or 1. So if it is 0, then what does that mean? It means that he is going to be winner at that point. So how to write the code? So let's see. So for this part, so I will make firstly a array. Okay, so let's make a array equals to new int. Then we will make a array of n plus 1. Okay, similarly now let's give the base cases. Okay, if we have 0 coins, then what is going to be the answer? It is 0. So he is going to be lose. If we have 1 coin, then what is going to be the answer? Then the player A will win. Okay, so we have to start it from array 2, from the index 2, int I equals to 2, and then I less than dp dot length and I plus plus. So firstly what we have to check? We have to check if I minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, and we have to check that dp of I minus 1 equals to 0. What does that means? If this is possible to take this much amount of coins, is this possible? And if it is possible, what is going to be the answer of the remaining coins? If it is 0, that means the Geek is going to win at this part. dp of I equals to 1. Okay, now else if we have to check for x as well. So I minus x, is greater than 0, and we have to check dp of I minus x equals to 0. Okay, if it is possible to take I minus x coins and dp of I minus x is 0, that means at this part also this amount of if the Geek has taken this amount of coins, then he is going to win. Okay, else if we have to check for y as well, I minus y is greater than equals to 0, and dp of I minus y equals to 0. Then we have to check dp of I equals to 1, and in all other cases it is going to be dp of I. It is not possible to win for this part. So now we have to return, after this loop we have to return dp of n. We have to return dp of n. Okay, we have to return dp of n. Okay, so as I have used x and y small, so I will be making x and y small for these parts. Y making small. Okay, so let's compile and run. Okay, so it is showing right answer. Let's try to submit it. So this is submitted. I hope you got to know that how to do this question. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe to our channel as well.